Welcome viewers. A U.S. federal appeals court on Wednesday rejected former President Donald Trump's attempt to prevent former Vice President Mike Pence from testifying before a federal grand jury that is investigating Trump's efforts to overturn the 2020 election, according to reports. In this video we will break it all down for you. But before we continue, please take a minute of your precious time to hit the subscribe button below and turn on the notification bell to get the latest update from us. The latest order from the D.C. Circuit Court of Appeals comes after Trump's legal team filed an emergency motion to block a lower court's decision directing Pence to testify. The order, which remains sealed, opens the way for Justice Department Special Counsel Jack Smith, the special counsel probing the January 6 U.S. Capitol attack, to enforce the subpoena for Pence to appear before a grand jury, several U.S. media outlets reported. Neither Trump nor Pence immediately commented on the reports, while some media outlets cited aides of the former president, who previously indicated he would follow the orders of the court. Trump has yet to indicate that he will appeal the issue at the Supreme Court. In February, Smith issued a subpoena to Pence to testify in an ongoing probe into potential federal crimes related to efforts to overturn the results of the 2020 presidential election. Both Pence and Trump challenged the subpoena on separate legal grounds. The former president reportedly pressured Pence to use his role in overseeing the certification of the electoral results to delay or block the certification of Trump's defeat in the 2020 election. Pence's decision to go against aiding Trump's efforts led to tension between the two, with the former vice president speaking publicly about refusing Trump's demands. If Pence follows the order of the court, he would be the highest-ranking former Trump administration official to appear before the grand jury in Smith's probe. One of the reasons why the Georgia criminal indictments have been delayed in the 2020 election case is that a number of Republicans are flipping and providing evidence about Trump's plot to prosecutors. In January, Ms. Willis said that charging decisions in the investigation were imminent. But her timetable has been delayed, in part because a number of witnesses have sought to cooperate as the investigation has neared an end. Local law enforcement also needs time to prepare for potential security threats, a point that Ms. Willis emphasized in the letter. Further complicating matters, Ms. Willis's office filed a motion last week seeking the removal of a lawyer who is representing 10 Republicans who were part of a bogus slate of electors who sought to help Mr. Trump stay in power even after he lost the 2020 election in Georgia. What the New York Times left out of its report was that those witnesses who are flipping are Georgia Republican officials who participated in Trump's fake elector plot. Georgia Republicans probably thought that they could ride out this investigation, but when it got close to time for the indictments to be released, they got nervous and flipped on Trump and his accomplices. So many Republicans have come forward to provide evidence that it has created a conflict of interest for the lawyer who is representing them all. The indictments are coming this summer, which is worse news for Trump than if they would have happened before the first Republican primary debate. So many Republicans are rushing to provide evidence against Trump that they are delaying the indictment process. Things are definitely not looking good for those who potentially violated the law to try to keep Trump in power. Please, what is your take on this? And remember to subscribe as well. Thanks for watching.